Hello, I'm Jameson, one of the Mini Master Technicians here at Walters Mercedes-Benz of Riverside. Today I will be walking you through the procedures involved when you come in for an A or B express service. When you bring your vehicle in for an express service, we will have two of our certified technicians performing an A or B service on your vehicle depending on your vehicle's needs. An express A or B service can include air filter replacement, cabin filter replacement, wiper blade replacement, tire rotation and replacement, battery replacement, brake fluid service, brake pad and rotor replacement, warranty and recall work, AMG specific 2,000-mile break-in service, and includes a car wash. An express service is a fast and convenient way to get your car in and out in under an hour. Call to make an appointment. When you require the best or nothing, choose Walters Mercedes-Benz of Riverside.